All right, so, oh, great. The time now is 5:30, children. The time now is 5:30. Let's get ready for math lesson. All right, so sorry, so excited. All right, hey, y'all do math, right? Must feel a bit of excitement one, all right? Because math is a topic that I can guarantee you it's very easy to score full mark, especially in primary 3. Wow, Shanice, look, Shanice action. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so anyway, math is a topic that actually can score full marks in primary 3 and primary 4. All right, but when you reach primary 5, primary 6, it's more difficult already. All right, but because you are in primary 3, you can see that you can try to take full use of this advantage. All right, to try to get the full marks. You can do it. Try. All right, don't say cannot. Just try. All right, so next, this one, right? This was the question, the homework last week. All right, so any one of you did the homework last week? All right, what's the answer? Anyone can give me the answer? All right, it's actually quite simple. All right, if you have the answer, you can actually go to the chat and give me the answer. Is that okay? Hey, Gisli, is your camera working okay? If your camera is working okay, can you please turn it on, Gisli? Yeah, if you don't mind. Yeah, thank you so much. All right, so anyone got the answer for this? Jessica. All right, she takes Japanese. Mitsubishi, Subaru, Anatawa Benong. Sorry. Yes. Shiloh, 1 out of 2 is not correct. Yes, Rudran, you have an answer. If you have an answer, go to the chat and type in the answer, please. All right. Hello, Watashi Benong. All right. Watashi means I am. Benong is my name. Huh? You don't know I'm called Benong? Ah? Hiya. Oh, yes, Rudran. Wow, Rudran got it. Good job. All right. Answer is correct, Rudran. Good job. All right. So, Rudran, when you get it right, do you want to teach the class how to do it? Okay. Can you please unmute yourself? I will turn on the annotation for you. All right. So only Rudran can annotate lah. All right. Only Rudran can annotate. Oh yes, Lavanya, your answer is correct also. Good job. Shi-en, no. All right, Shi-en, not yet. All right, but you can. Good try. Good try. Come, Rudran, you can speak up already. Yes.
Okay.
Hey, you speak up lah. Must say something.
No.
Like that only ah. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hello, Evan. Evan, do you have a haircut recently? No. Your hair is short and neat.
I cut on Saturday.
That's why I said you had a haircut recently. Good. All right, so Rudran, this is the answer is correct. Can you guys see, children? All right, can you all please look at what Rudran is doing? All right, so children, let me just show you a little bit, just a little bit about the model down here. All right, because some of you don't understand what is happening. All right, Shanice, you got the answer also, good job. So my advice is, right, if you don't know what to do, right, you can draw a quick model. Look at this, all right? So Jessica spent 1/12 hour to complete her homework. In Japanese, Mitsubishi, Subaru, Toyota. She spent 1/6 hour more to complete her Chinese homework. Yeah, Chinese because of the handwriting and all this. You need more time to do it. All right. So Chinese versus Japanese. Chinese need more time. Is that true? So Chinese, I draw a little bit longer. Is that okay? All right. So I'm just comparing Chinese versus Japanese. All right. The time spent to do the homework. And the question did say that what? 1/12 hour to do her Japanese homework. So this is 1/12. All right. So from here to here, the whole thing is Japanese, right? So down here is like 1/12 hour. All right. And she spent 1/6 hour more. Sorry. To complete her Chinese homework. So where's the more? In terms of the model, right? In terms of the model, this portion is the more. All right. This portion is the more. And it's 1/6 hour more, right? Children, can you see something? Can you see that this portion, right? The Japanese down here, the size down here, the size of this one, you see the little x, is actually the same size as this model, the little x, which actually means that this portion is how much? It's also 1/12. Can you see? Do you understand? So the red color portion is the same size. Okay? How much time did she spend to complete her homework in Chinese? So you're looking for the everything down here. You're looking for the everything down here. Oh my goodness, my English. The everything down here. So you're looking for the total. That's what Rudra is doing. 1 over 12 plus 1 over 6. Beautiful answer. All right, 1 over 12, all right, plus 1 over 6. That's how you find everything. All right, so Rudran is correct. He is very correct. Good job. All right, so let me let Wen-Xing in the class first. All right. So the rest can understand or not? All right, Shanice, you got the answer, correct. Shiloh, do you understand or not? All right, you must plus them. Chi-En also, you must understand. All right, very simple question like this, you must know what to do. Hello, Wen-Xing, what's up? All right, so, here comes what? Here comes Lavenia's method. All right, we are going to call this Lavenia's method. I find her method beautiful. She taught me the what? Seriously, Lavenia, last week she taught me the butterfly, fly, fly, fly. I want to be butterfly. So this is a butterfly method. All right, so it's 12 times 1. All right, 12 times 1 will give you a 12, right? All right, she said that 12 times 1 will give you a 12. 6 times 1 will give you a 6. And if it is a plus, right? If it's a plus, we follow the plus. So 6 plus 12 will give you a what? 6 plus 12 will give you a 18. All right? 6 plus 12 will give you a 18. Okay? And the bottom. Bottom is do what? Lavenia, how? Bottom is what? Can you remind me? Is it a times? Yes. So down here, you must times 12 times 6 is what? 12 times 6 is actually a 72. Watch, 18 over 72. But Rudran answer is 1/4. Are you sure you're correct? Yes, I believe in Lavenia's method. All right, she's amazing. She come up with this method. All right. So, but how do I get 1/4? Please, children, remember something. All right, remember something. What is it, Vanishnavi? Yes.
You have to simplify.
Beautiful. Such a beautiful voice from Lavenia. Such a beautiful voice from Vanishnavi. She says that we have to simplify it. Thank you, Vanishnavi. Thank you so much. All right, but how to simplify? Look, 18 and 72, right, is part of the 9 timetable. So divide by 9, divide by 9. All right, to make it smaller. 18 divided by 9 is a 2. 72 divided by 9 is a 8. But again, can reduce some more. All right, because you're supposed to go to the lowest. But sure, the question never say, nope, no argument, children, full stop, no argument. You're supposed to reduce to the simplest form no matter what. Question don't say, you just do it. Equal to what?
If never reduce to simplest form, you'll get wrong.
Yes. Thank you so much. All right. You never reduce to the simplest form, you got it wrong. Answer is 1/4. All right, using Lavenia's butterfly method and using Vaishnavi, the reduce to the lowest term. So answer is 1/4. So I'm showing a different method away from Rudran. But actually, right, honestly, Rudran's method is much more faster. Can you see not? So Rudran's method, right, is trying to make the what? All right, 1/12 plus what? 1/6. Right, this is Rudran's method. And he said that to make the denominator the same. How to make the denominator the same? All right, he looked at the what? He looked at the timetable of 6 and 12. All right, he looked at the timetable of 6 and 12. All right, so 12 and 6, 6, 12, 18. All right, so M6, M6 represents the multiple of 6, 6, 12, 18. And how about M12? M12 is 12, 24, 36. What is the common? All right, common is a 12. So Rudran's mental sum is always very strong one. So one look, he know the answer is a 12. So denominator times 2, numerator times 2. Why? This is called equivalent fraction. Whatever you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 2 is 2. Down here is a 1. Can you see or not? Okay, so once you get the denominator the same already, you can simply add up. 1 plus 2 is a 3. The denominator stays as 12, never change. And here comes Vanishnavi's statement. I need to reduce this to the lowest term. Divide by 3, answer is 1/4. So why do I say that Rudran's method is better? Because the number is what? It's smaller. It's smaller, it's easier to handle. Look at this one, 18/72. It's such a big number. All right, so it's not that who is correct and who is wrong. Eventually, the answer is 1/4. You get it correct. Both methods are good method. Understand or not, children? All right, so please be flexible. Don't just stick to one method. All right, you can be flexible. All right, and importantly, you must know what to do. For example, you must know how to add in the first place. Can? All right, not bad. This was the homework last week. This was the homework last week. All right, children. All right, so children, let's continue with today's work. All right, today's work, we are going to talk a little bit about the third part of fractions. All right, we are going to talk about the third part of fractions. Come. Evan, you say that I'm lagging, is it? Is it okay? Can you hear me now, Evan? Can? Okay, okay, very good, very good. All right, so children, if you think that maybe you cannot hear my voice or because it's a bit laggy, all right, you might want to lock out and lock in again. All right, that actually helps. Can? Thank you so much, children. All right, come. So today our lesson, right? Today our lesson is actually on the third part, the third portion of fraction, which is talking about solving problems involving what? Fraction of a whole and part whole model. All right, so later I'll show you these two parts of the model, how it looks like. All right, so before we do that, right, can we attempt on one extra exam question first? All right, you guys know me. I always have one extra question ready for you guys. All right, can you please look at this question? All right, and give me the answer in the chat. Give me the answer in the chat, please. Go to the chat and give me the answer, please, children. All right, just write 1, 2, 3, 4. Sophie, your answer is incorrect, but thank you for trying. Shi-En, your answer is... how come everybody select this answer? So weird. Shi-En, your answer is incorrect also. Evan, your answer is incorrect. Rudran, your answer is... Evan, your answer is incorrect. Vanishnavi, your answer is incorrect. Lavanya, your answer is correct. Rudran, your answer is correct. Evan, your answer is correct already. Good job, good job. Wow. Okay, Sophie, your answer is correct already. Good job, good job. All right, don't rush, children, don't rush. It's not about getting it first. Shiloh, your answer is incorrect, but thank you for trying. All right, and Shiloh, can you please on your video, please? Thank you so much. Jane, welcome. All right, thanks for attending lesson. All right, and Jane managed to finish her worksheet also. Good job, Jane. All right, hey, the rest of you, can you please try to attempt your worksheet? Like Gisli also did try to do her worksheet. Good job. All right, so please, the rest, right, please try to have at least an entry, all right, to look at the worksheet. Right, Vanishnavi, answer is correct. Very good. All right. All right, Jane, when you're ready, please turn on your video. Thank you so much. Okay, so most of you got the correct answer already, right? Okay, come. So what do I do? All right, this type of question, right? Which one of the following figure is 1/4 shaded? Do you know that this is 1/4? What does 1/4 means? 1/4 actually means 1 out of 4. Do you know that? 1/4 actually means 1 out of 4. All right, so you're supposed to kind of group them. All right, you're supposed to group them in 4s. Group them in 4 equal parts. All right, group them in 4 equal parts and what? And one of it must be shaded. Do you understand, children? Okay, come, let's try. Group them in 4 equal parts. Come. So we can do this. For example, 1. Okay, maybe I use another different color. All right, it's like 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, can you see this 4? All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and one of them is shaded. Can you see? How about this one? How about this one? This is another color. Right? Can you look at this? Can you see the blue? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, group them in 4, and one of them is shaded. And another one. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one of them is shaded. Can you see? That's the reason why answer is 1. That's the reason why answer is 1. You understand, children? All right. That's the meaning of 1 out of 4. All right. Look at the color coding. The red color, I shaded. I got 4 that is red color. All right. One of them is shaded. Look at the green color. I got 4 equal boxes, right? Yeah, but one of them is shaded. Look at the blue color. All right. I got 4 equal blue boxes. All right. But one of them is shaded. That's the meaning. Can you see or not? Hey, but sure, is there another way? Actually, there is. Okay. So what do I do? All right, children, look. What do I do? So I will actually look at the denominator. Because the denominator represents the what? The denominator represents the total what? Total
Fraction.
Equal parts. Sorry, somebody say something? Sorry, what did you say? Total fractions, no, it's actually the total equal